Hi, I'm Terry Beach, your Minister of Citizen Services. What is that, you ask? Well, I'm responsible for Service Canada as well as the Canadian Digital Service, and it's my job to find ways to improve your service experience and make our government more efficient. My priorities include dental, digital, and customer service. Let's look at some of the things we've been working on during our first year. In December 2023, we launched the Canadian Dental Care Plan, with Service Canada serving as the front door. We expect 9 million Canadians to be eligible, making this the largest single benefit to be rolled out in Canadian history. Over 2 million Canadians have enrolled in the program so far. On May 1st, 2024, Canadians were able to start visiting the dentist under the program for the first time. And just this past month, we've expanded the eligibility to children under 18 and those individuals with a valid disability tax credit certificate. Our client experience team tested every step of the enrollment process to make it as easy as possible to sign up. This has allowed us to keep the average waiting time at the call center to less than 10 seconds. Early next year, we'll expand eligibility so that Canadians between the ages of 18 to 64 will also be able to sign up. Visit canada.ca/dental to access the program, or you can call or visit your local Service Canada office. Citizen Services isn't just responsible for delivering dental care, but for all major benefit programs. This includes old age security, employment insurance, and the Canada Pension Plan. These programs represent 39% of our federal budget and $1.5 trillion in payments to Canadians over the next 10 years. It's also home to the largest IT project ever attempted in Canadian history, the Benefits Delivery Modernization Program, or BDM. We are creating a single, modern platform for delivering all of Service Canada's core benefits. This is important because the core of our benefit delivery platforms is between 25 and over 60 years old, and we've already hit a big milestone. Release 1 of the old age security upgrade is already live and seamlessly serving 600,000 Canadians. They likely haven't even noticed the change, and that's a good thing. Release 2 is almost ready to go live, and soon, all 7.3 million seniors will be receiving their OAS on the new platform. And we'll start working on employment insurance in early 2025. Now, what does that mean for you? It means transformative service improvements through both our digital and traditional service channels, all while ensuring our benefit systems are modern, secure, and reliable. Digital service improvements mean that you can access government services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from anywhere in Canada. For example, we've digitalized the social insurance number process. Whether you are applying for a SIN or need to confirm the one you already have, the entire process is now digital. This means you don't need to physically visit a Service Canada office and wait in line if you don't want to. It also means that if you choose to visit a Service Canada office, there will be fewer people standing in front of you as they decide to access digital services. And we're not stopping here. The SIN program has more room for improvement, including a future initiative called SIN at Entry, which will auto-issue a social insurance number to individuals who are authorized to work in Canada. In our busiest centers, this initiative has the potential to reduce lines and wait times by more than 50%. We are using AI, machine learning, and robotic process automation in new and creative ways to increase our service standards while reducing our costs. We have 179 new digital service improvements like this that we are planning to roll out, and I can't wait to share more details with you. Digital services are designed to make your life more efficient, especially when working through big life events like having a family, losing a loved one, or planning for retirement. Our newly launched Retirement Hub is a user-friendly online tool that helps us understand the process of planning, applying for, and receiving the retirement benefits that you've worked so hard for. This includes the Canada Pension Plan, Old Age Security, and the Guaranteed Income Supplement. Government services aren't meant to be a mystery novel with a surprise ending. Our services need to be clear, concise, and easy to access and to administer. You can take a retirement-ready quiz to get a personalized checklist to help you prepare for your retirement at canada.ca/retirement hub. Expect to see more of these helpful hubs built around the most significant milestones in our lives. We have significantly improved service standards for passports. Many will remember the backlog we faced during the pandemic. Let me explain why this happened. When travel restrictions lifted, we had an increase in demand. At the same time, health restrictions had not been lifted, meaning that our processing centers and our passport offices were running significantly below capacity. The good news is that the backlog has been completely eliminated. 2 years ago, we processed 3.3 million passport applications. Last year, we processed over 4.8 million, and this year, we expect to process 5.4 million. This is almost a 50% increase in volume in just the last 2 years. Despite this substantial increase, Service Canada's frontline staff are processing applications within our 10 and 20 business day service standards. We've done that by improving our processes, upgrading our equipment, and investing in improved service options, including in-person, digital, and through the mail. The Passport Application Status Checker, which launched in 2023, lets Canadians get updates on their applications without having to call and wait on hold or stand in line at a Service Canada office. This frees up more of our agents to serve those individuals who visit our offices looking to submit their application. While standards have improved, better is still possible. In our busiest offices, at peak periods, people have had to spend hours in line in some cases, often having to take time off work, find childcare, or cancel other important appointments. This is unacceptable, and we are working diligently to resolve this problem permanently. Soon, we will be launching an online renewal process. This means once you have your passport, you'll have the option to never stand in line again when it comes time to renew. Not only is this more convenient, but it will also allow us to reduce the marginal cost of producing a passport in the first place. This will save us time and money and will reduce the number of people waiting in line. Go to canada.ca/passport to find out more information. Canadians have been very clear. We want our government to deliver services at a modern standard that can compete with what we have come to expect in the private sector. That means making self-service options available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from anywhere in Canada. It also means providing accessible experiences through our traditional channels, whether they be over the phone or in our Service Canada offices. We want our government to respect our time and our money. That means less time standing in line or waiting on hold, and delivering these services at a reduced overall cost. We've made a lot of progress on these promises, but the best is still to come. So please stay tuned as we continue to roll out new programs and updates over this coming year, and please feel free to contact me anytime with your ideas and your suggestions. Thank you. Merci.